What is up, guys? Fran Gessel here at the Franimal, and today I'm going to be showing you my legit, fully functional, homemade, chest-supported row machine. So let's jump right into it. So this is my homemade, chest-supported row machine, and let me tell you, this thing is a tank. I use this all the time. It's great for hitting the back, getting some heavy rows without getting the momentum of normal barbell rows where you can use your legs. This really just isolates the back. So let's just go through it and talk about all the components of it and what they're made of. So let's start here at the top, or at this end of it on the bottom. So we have basically just some 2x6s. Honestly, this is probably the hackiest part of it. I pretty much just sham these together. It just acts as a stopper for the lever arm so it doesn't go too far down. So we got that. The base here is made out of a 2x10, I believe. It's something nice and wide to give it some stability. We have another 2x6, which kind of gives some support to this thing that holds the seat up. It also kind of acts as a stopper as well for the lever arm going farther on. To be honest, I'm not really sure why I put that. It's just a 4x6. It's mainly for an aesthetic purpose because it really has no functionality. Because if you see, it doesn't really make contact with that, so it's not really a stopper. Again, it's kind of just for aesthetic purposes. So here we have where the lever arm pivots from. And this is just attached to a 4x4. Just got a simple hinge on it, and that's how it moves. The hinge is plenty strong, holds it fine, made of steel. And that 4x4 attached to another 4x4, which gives the back side of this not seat, but the thing you lie prone on, some support. Then we have where this joins, we have a 2x4, a ripped 2x4, which gives the back end some more stability. We have a 2x10. We have some padding. This is some padding that I ripped out of a mattress. It's about 2 inches thick. It's that memory foam. So man, that stuff is soft. It's so nice. It's just got that black Vinley wrap kind of wrapped over it. But this stuff, it really is. It's like lying on a bed. Like if you press into it, you can see it really contours into the shape of my hand. So when you're working out on this thing, you kind of just want to like stay on it. It's just so comfortable. But anyways, so that's that. So with the lever arm, we have the thing that holds the weight. It's just a PVC pipe. I believe it's 2 inch and 3/4 diameter, and it's just drilled into the 4x4 or the lever arm, which is simply just a 4x4. And it's glued in there. It's not screwed into anything, so it's not the stablest, but really there's not much load acted upon this when weight is placed on it. So we have that, you can see down there. So yeah, here we have it. So I'm just gonna put the camera on the tripod, hop on it. I'm gonna do some rows and just kind of show you how it works. You just gotta watch out when you're using this that PVC pipe doesn't stab you in the face when you do it. The whole point I want to make with this video is that if you don't have a gym and that's your reason why you don't work out, that is not legit. That is not a valid reason to not work out and get in shape. I don't have a gym. I didn't have a gym around my area just because my town is so small and so isolated. So guess what I did? I brought the gym to me and I built one. And that's exactly what you can do as well. So if you have a friend that always complains about not being able to work out because they don't have a gym, I want you to share this video with them, and it will just blow their mind because it will show you what you are capable of and what you can achieve if you actually think critically about the situation and try to apply your knowledge and resolve it. That's what I did. I didn't have a gym. I built one. It's working great, and you can do the same as well. So if you made it to the end of this video, give it a thumbs up. And consider subscribing to the channel if you guys want to see more in-depth videos about each piece of equipment. I can certainly make that. So in the meantime, leave a comment. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time.